have only a few states that can produce watermelons in November, because you have to, as long as the ground is about 65 degrees, they'll continue to grow. 65-degree ground dirt and no frost, and you can have watermelons year round. But when that first frost comes, it's over. So these are doing quite well among the moringa and the pineapples, and of course the bananas. The bananas. That's a superfood. Body recognizes it. Moringa has more vitamin C than oranges, more potassium than bananas. It is an amazing food. It grows rapidly. The more you cut it, the faster it grows. The tea is fantastic. The salad, you can use it as toothpaste, deodorant. Your deodorant, if you look on there, one of the ingredients in deodorant is aluminum. And they have associated aluminum with Alzheimer's and dementia. So again, these chemicals are doing things to your body that it may take a while for it to manifest. But we see it every day in our family and our parents as they age, some of the things that has happened from the food they eat. But this is a superfood that you definitely want to try to get in your diet. You can grow it indoors or outdoors. Get you some CFL lights with the Kelvin rating of at least 5,000. That's daylight. That's what I'm shooting this video in, daylight, 5,000 Kelvin. Another easy plant to grow that you want to get into your diet is the leaf of life. Every time a leaf falls off this plant, it has seeds on the back of it. It reproduces itself very rapidly, and it makes a nice tea or drink. And again, it helps giving the body some of the nutrients that it needs, that helps fortify and give you a strong immune system. And the passion fruit, just an all-around delicious fruit that you would definitely enjoy if you like citrus types of fruit. Passion fruit is something that you'll definitely enjoy. This is green, and then once it comes off the vine, it'll turn yellow. Here we have some passion fruit, the flower, and among that I got moringa growing everywhere, so it's bursting through. And then over here you can actually see some of the fruit itself. Passion fruit, that's what it looks like. There's a bulb of passion fruit. This vine will produce over 1,000 of these pieces of fruit, over 200 pounds, as it goes into its final stage of fast growth, which is October, November, December. It has produced fruit all year. Already enjoyed over 100 pieces of fruit from this vine. And believe it or not, this vine is a very fast growing plant. These are the chickpeas, and they produce the peas on there, and the chickens enjoy both the leaves because they enjoy their greens. They also enjoy the passion fruit, and I'll show you that. And the peas off of here, which they enjoy. So the chickens And they have an abundant supply today of passion fruit with even a few ants on there that I'm sure will be like a delicacy to them. And they all are hiding right now. They've had a rough morning. Rained a lot yesterday, which is good for the garden. Hear the birds chirping. And there's 2 there. I have 7. And again, they give me about a dozen eggs a day. The cost to maintain them, about $1.50 a day, because it's things like this that helps cut the cost. They love passion fruit, they love chickpeas, they love strawberries, pineapples. You can feed them. I don't feed them meat, but any table scraps that is non-meat, and I share that with them, and they enjoy it. Uh-oh, I'm gonna have to clean them ears. Come on, let's go. Come on. Keep going. Where you going, Prince? Get on back over there. Let's go. Back up there. Prince. Where you going, King? All right, you can go. Come on, Queen. Come on, Queen. Queen, let's go. Hey. Yes. All right, come on.